Okay, this is a demo of the contest, our first contest that we'll have. And there's two things you need that will have to happen. One's accuracy, the other is how quickly it'll go. So you run down, scooch around the pin without knocking it down, and come back to the original position. So let's see how it works. Now, I actually have a timer set here, and I have my code that I put in here, and I'll describe how I put this together in a minute, but let's just take a look first. Now we're off just a little bit. This isn't exactly where it started, but it's within an inch or so. And you'll see that it took 21 seconds. Now, I think that time can be beaten, but that's where it is right now. And now let me describe a little bit about this code. What I did is I built three functions, and we'll talk about how to do that, but I built a function to spin right, function to spin left 90 degrees, and a function to drive. Now, the reason I didn't use the standard spin drive functions is because if you need to wait a certain period of time, and it turns out that if you do it around 0.3 of a second between operations, that gives the robot time to settle. And that's all that I'm doing is I drive down for 22 inches, spin left, go 5, spin right, go 10, spin right, go 12, spin right again, go 32, and spin 6 to get back. And the reason I did this with these different distances is that, first of all, you can use the same functions, but the other advantage is you can now tune this because you can start adjusting these numbers, and I'm sure you'll want to do the same thing to make it go faster. That's all for now.